Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing some carbon flash metallic canards on the front of the C8 Corvette. Let's get them installed and check them out. A big thank you to Billfaro for providing the product for this video. These are an ABS plastic material and they've been painted in the carbon flash metallic. Here I'm trying to give you an up-close look at the quality of the paint job. It has the nice sparkles and the colour tones that the carbon flash metallic has from the factory. On the back side there's some VHB, very high bond adhesive. On the other end is a mounting point to your fender liner, and then there are optional rivets as well. And for another look, this is the canard in front of my carbon flash painted mirror. I'm pretty impressed with the match. To start with, you're going to want to clean the area. Here I'm using my go-to, which is Meguiar's Quick Detailer, and a microfiber towel. Now you're going to remove this T15 screw. It's the second one up from the bottom. It's tight, but you can get in here without turning or removing the wheel. Next, you're going to peel off the red backing of the VHB tape. There are 3 strips to remove off of each canard in total. Then you want to maneuver the canard around the side of the bumper first, and then pull it forward and press it down. Reinsert the T15 screw through the hole in the canard. And go ahead and tighten it down. It's a very simple install. Repeat the process on the other side and you are done. I wanted to get some video out in the sun, just so you could see how that carbon flash metallic paint looks. On the underside of the canard is a hole where you can put a rivet in, but you will have to drill through your bumper if you choose to do this. As you can see, another really easy installation. They are peel and stick. You stick them down and then there is one T15 bolt you remove, and then you screw the bit that hangs around the corner into the wheel well and put that T15 bolt back in. The carbon flash metallic is a really good match for the carbon flash that's already on there. It looks really good, it's got lots of sparkle to it, high gloss, and they look really, really cool on the front of the Corvette. Let me know what you think in the comments below. There's a link to the product in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.